Hi friends, lot of time in my mobile phone. I wish to listen to YouTube audio, just the audio, and do something else on my phone, such as reading news or even turning off my mobile screen and continue listening to the YouTube audio over headphone. Unfortunately, YouTube app on your phone does not allow this. In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can do this. Before stepping into the solution, let's first look at the restriction of the YouTube app. As you can see, when I go to my home screen, the audio stopped playing. And also, when I switch off my screen, the YouTube audio stopped playing. Let's now look at how we can overcome this. Open your browser and go to YouTube website. Now click on the three dots menu icon located at the top right corner and select Desktop Site. Now play the video and try clicking on your home button. Mostly your YouTube audio should continue. However, in some browsers, you may have to go to your notification drawer and click on the play button once.
भीगी भीगी सड़कों पे मैं तेरा इंतजार करूं, धीरे धीरे दिल की ज़मीं को तेरे ही नाम करूं.
From this moment, you could listen to your favorite YouTube audio even when you are doing something else on your phone, or when your mobile screen is locked, or even when your screen is completely switched off. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for more such videos. See you soon, and thank you so much for watching.